Hi, this is Lisa. Today I'll be demoing recruiting app, also called as Applicant Tracking System, from CloudGofer. In this demo, we will be covering following features and topics. 1. Creating a job and posting job on an external website. 2. Once a job is posted, we will see how a candidate can apply for the job via an externally posted job page. 3. Job applications are converted to candidates, and candidates are progressed through hiring process via various statuses. Communication is done without leaving the app by leveraging Salesforce.com's emailing feature. You will see how the candidate interviews are created within the application. Then, we will take a look at reports and dashboards to see overall status of the jobs and hiring process. Now let's dive into the demo. Now let's take a look at creating of job and posting of job. Go to the Jobs tab and click New. Let's enter job name, job type, posting status. Posting status is initially draft. If job should not be posted externally, you can select internal only. If it is to be posted externally, then select internal and external. Let's enter date posted, employment type, industry, skills, work hours, internal job comments. Now, let's enter job description, job requirements, and qualifications, job location, and target hire date. Not all fields are displayed on external job, however, some of these fields are important for meeting Google Job data structure requirements. Once the posting status is changed to internal and external, the job will be available on an external job site. Let's open the external job URL in new window. This is how your posted job will look on the external site. You can see all the details of the job here. The applicant can apply for the job by clicking the Apply button here. So let's apply for the job. Here is name, email address, phone number, address. Here you have the choice of entering a cover letter as rich text. Also, resume can be entered as rich text, or you can attach a cover letter file and resume file. You can make these fields required or optional, so let's attach a cover letter and resume file and hit submit, so this will submit the job. Just before we move away from here, I just want to show you that this is the job's home. The applicant can see all the jobs listed here. Navigation control can be used to traverse the jobs here. The applicant can search for the job. Let us search for jobs containing business analyst. Search results are shown having all the jobs where business analyst is mentioned. Now the applicant can click any of the jobs and apply for the job. So let's go inside the Salesforce org now. Here's the job we created and posted externally. As you can see, there is the job application received for this job, and you also have the candidate record. One candidate can apply for multiple jobs. Each application by a candidate will create a job application. Now, let's review the job application. Job application has a name, applicant status, applicant source, the job which the candidate has applied for, related candidate record, email, phone number, address, cover letter, and resume as rich text, and also the resume and cover letter as attachments. Candidate interview record can be created from candidate record. Once on the candidate record, click on the interview link in related list quick links in the header section of the candidate record, and then click on new button to create a new interview. Select the overall rating for the candidate. Interview date and time. Date and time are auto-populated. However, you can change that as needed. Then you can enter notes from the interview and save it. The interview records are available on the candidate record. The hiring manager can see all the interviews and the related notes. Now let's review the candidate record. At the top, we have a header with links to notes and attachments, which contains links to resume, cover letter, and any other documentation related to the candidate. Job applications, number of interviews, and any changes to candidate information is shown in the candidate history. On the candidate record, you can see name, latest resume, received date, number of interviews, and the candidate status details. To capture additional details for the status, for example, in case the candidate has rejected or declined the offer, you can capture the reason for that. You can also see the candidate's address, the email, the phone number, any alternate email address. You can also communicate with the candidates with emails. Click on the email icon and choose the From email address, Other people in the CC. You can select the template. For example, if you would like to schedule an interview, you can click on the Insert Template icon here and then select the template, and once selected, it will automatically insert the subject and the template along with the merged fields. You can see how the final email will look by clicking on the preview icon. Here you can see the organization's name and candidate name are populated by merged fields automatically. And once you send, the email will get attached to the candidate record and will be visible in the Upcoming and Overdue section. When the job is posted externally, you can see the Google Structured Data Testing link up here through external site URL. You can verify the compliance of job data to meet the Google Structured Job Schema by clicking on the test link. As you can see, the Google results showing the successful test showing compliance with Google's job schema data. A compliant job data is machine readable by Google Search and will appear automatically on Google Jobs board and search results. Recruiting app comes with a comprehensive dashboard which provides an overview of organization's hiring process. It provides analytical view of all the jobs and applicants and candidate status. Open Jobs with Status component shows all the open jobs along with their statuses. Next, you can see Open Jobs with Candidates. This component shows the number of candidates applied for the job and status of the candidates. Active Candidates in Process component shows how many active candidates are in the hiring process, along with status of the candidates. Interviews for Open Jobs component shows the number of interviews that have occurred for each of the open jobs. The Job Applications Pipeline component shows the total number of job applications received along with their applicant status. Open Jobs with Jobs Applications component shows the number of job applications along with the applicant status for each of the open jobs. This dashboard can be customized to meet your hiring process needs. Thank you for your interest in the recruiting app from CloudGofer, and we look forward to working with you. Feel free to reach out to our team if you have any questions.